Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by enabling voice control so the iPhone listens reliably. Open Settings and go to Accessibility, then turn on voice control. This engages the on-device speech engine. Make sure you pick the language you speak and grant dictation permission in privacy. Once done, test with a short phrase to confirm the mic picks up your voice. Use a headset or move to a quiet room for best accuracy. These steps reduce errors and speed up recognition. Now customize how voice control interprets you. In the voice control menu, add or edit commands so phrases match apps and tasks you use. This trains it to respond correctly. If enhanced dictation or on-device processing is available, enable it for faster, offline recognition. Practice by saying a mix of commands and dictation sentences. Note where it fails and tweak custom phrases. Make sure to save changes and restart voice control. To finish, verify everything by dictating a paragraph in Notes and sending a short message hands-free. If you notice misrecognized words, go back and refine custom commands or retrain by repeating difficult phrases. When problems persist, toggle microphone access in privacy or turn voice control off and on. That often clears temporary glitches. If recognition still fails, restart the iPhone and check for an iOS update. Updates fix engine bugs. As a last resort, reset voice control settings before seeking support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.